So today I'm going to be making an Oreo and strawberry pot, so let's begin. So for this we require some chopped strawberries, some melted chocolate, and I have here some crushed Oreos. So first of all I'm going to make a small base at the bottom of the cup. Now I'm going to add a layer of strawberries. And now I'm going to drizzle some melted chocolate over the strawberries. Now another layer of Oreos. Now another layer of strawberries. So I'm going to drizzle with chocolate again. And last of all, I'm going to sprinkle with some crushed Oreos again. So if you have any melted chocolate remaining, you can just use that as a final drizzle. I'm going to top this off with a strawberry. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and thanks guys for watching.